Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A tranquil Mediterranean villa scene featuring a rustic stone house with a terracotta roof under clear blue skies. The setting includes a serene garden with lush lavender fields in various shades of purple, interspersed with vibrant green shrubs and small flowering plants. In the foreground, a small pond reflects the sunlight, surrounded by smooth white pebbles and stepping stones. Two comfortable lounge chairs sit invitingly on a wooden deck, partially shaded by nearby olive trees. A serene outdoor scene featuring a luxurious Mediterranean-style villa surrounded by lush greenery. The architecture is characterized by warm-toned stone walls and a terracotta roof, exuding an inviting and elegant atmosphere. The setting includes neatly trimmed tall cypress trees along the perimeter, casting soft shadows in the late afternoon light. A tranquil pool reflects the blue sky and greenery, creating a calm focal point. Soft, comfortable seating areas with plush cushions are arranged on a stone patio, adorned with vibrant ornamental plants and modern outdoor furniture. Elegant and spacious modern villa nestled in a lush landscape, showcasing a blend of natural stone and wood architecture. The scene is infused with a warm golden hour glow, casting soft shadows and highlights. A serene outdoor swimming pool reflects the clear blue sky, complemented by sleek lounge chairs on one side. The patio features a rustic fire pit with glowing flames, surrounded by neatly arranged stones and vibrant green grasses. Lush olive trees flank the area, adding to the tranquil ambience. A modern two-story house featuring a sleek design with a terracotta-tiled roof, large glass doors and windows reflecting a warm glow from the interior lights. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery, including olive trees, and a well-maintained garden with stone pathways. The foreground showcases a wooden deck with a circular fire pit, inviting seating area with plush cushions, and terracotta pots adding an earthy touch. The sky is painted in soft hues of twilight, transitioning from light blue to gentle pink, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. A modern, minimalist house with a striking design, featuring a combination of stone and wood elements. The home is 2 stories tall, with large glass windows that reflect the blue sky. The front yard showcases a meticulously landscaped garden filled with various desert plants like agave and succulents, interconnected by a pathway made of smooth, gray stepping stones. The path winds through an arrangement of large, natural boulders and gravel, enhancing the aesthetic of the modern landscape. Serene outdoor space featuring a modern, minimalistic patio set against a lush garden landscape. The scene includes paved terracotta tiles leading towards a contemporary outdoor seating area, surrounded by vibrant purple lavenders and orange marigolds. The background showcases a rustic house with a tiled roof and large glass windows, highlighting an inviting interior. Lush greenery, including tall shrubs and agave plants, frames the space. The atmosphere is calm and tranquil, with warm sunlight creating soft shadows. Luxurious modern ranch house with a rustic charm, featuring a terracotta tiled roof, large glass windows, and natural stone walls, surrounded by an elegant desert garden, showcasing succulent plants and white pebbles, soft evening light casting warm glows, wooden decking leading to a spacious outdoor lounge area with plush cushions, a tranquil atmosphere, impressionistic style with a focus on harmony and nature, rich earthy tones and muted greens intermingling with the soft lighting for a serene aesthetic. A tranquil outdoor scene showcasing a rustic Mediterranean villa with a warm, inviting atmosphere. The setting features a beautifully landscaped garden adorned with vibrant greenery and colorful blossoms. The architecture showcases natural stone walls with a traditional terracotta roof, blending harmoniously with the lush environment. In the foreground, two modern gray lounge chairs are positioned on a smooth stone pathway, complemented by warm orange cushions. The garden is filled with aromatic herbs and colorful flowers in a mix of green, lavender, and orange hues, creating a serene oasis. A serene outdoor patio scene showcasing modern design elements. The setting features a contemporary building with a warm terracotta roof, surrounded by lush greenery and ornamental plants. The patio is designed with large stone tiles interspersed with smooth pebbles, leading through vibrant patches of lavender and orange flowers. Comfortable gray outdoor furniture, including a sectional sofa and stylish armchairs, invite relaxation. Soft, natural lighting creates a tranquil atmosphere, emphasizing the rich greens of the foliage and the earthy tones of the pebbles and stones. Luxurious modern villa surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a blend of stone and stucco exterior with a red-tiled roof. The scene captures a serene outdoor living space with a large, comfortable sectional sofa adorned with plush cushions, a low rectangular fire pit at the center, and elegant terracotta pots filled with vibrant plants. Sunlight casts soft shadows across the textured stone pathway leading to expansive glass doors that invite the outdoors in. The interior hints at cozy, inviting furnishings visible through the glass, blending with the warm tones of the natural surroundings. A sun-drenched Mediterranean villa courtyard at dusk, showcasing a harmonious blend of modern and rustic elements. The scene features a sleek, shallow pool with soft water cascades flowing over stone steps, reflecting the warm, golden tones of the setting sun. Surrounding the pool, lush lavender plants add vibrant splashes of purple, contrasting beautifully with the neutral stone patio, showcasing intricate textures. The villa's facade is adorned with terracotta roof tiles, muted beige stucco walls, and arched doorways that invite warmth and elegance. The interior, visible through large glass doors, hints at cozy, contemporary furnishings bathed in soft, ambient lighting.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.